Hello folks, this is Aditya Najha from InspiredRise.com, and today we are going to talk about the Honor 9N smartphone. So guys, the Honor 9N is the latest smartphone by Honor, and it's a major update to their 9 Lite series, and it's almost like the Honor 9 Lite in many aspects. There are just few changes here and there. If I talk about the design, this smartphone comes with a very nice design. At the back you can see the fingerprint sensor. You also get a very nice style hard case cover inside the box for this device, and the feel for that cover is quite good. This smartphone feels quite solid to hold in the hand, and then there's the front camera sensor along with the earpiece in the place where there's the notch. At the bottom there's the 3.5mm jack, the micro USB port along with the speaker grill and the microphone for this smartphone. Overall the display is a notch style one. On the right hand side you get the power button and the volume rocker for the smartphone, and if you look at the back closely, it's almost like the Honor 9 Lite. Fingerprint sensor, dual camera sensor, and a design which gets a lot of smudges very easily. The SIM tray slot is hybrid one, so a lot of people might not like it. If I talk about internals, it comes with the Kirin 659 chipset, Mali T830 MP2 GPU, supports up to 256GB of expandable storage, has around 4GB of RAM, 64GB of internal storage, and overall if I talk about the sensors, this device come up with a lot of sensors, every sensor that you need for a great smartphone experience. The display is a different one from the Honor 9 Lite. It has a 5.84-inch display with 79.5% screen to body ratio and a 19:9 aspect ratio. If I talk about the face unlocked, it worked quite well, and if we tested it under different conditions, we found that it was quite fast in a lot of cases. The fingerprint sensor at the back also is quite fast almost every time, and it works quite nicely. If I talk about the EMUI experience, etc., that's quite smooth and okay. And now let's talk about the camera for this device. It comes with a 13 megapixel PDF camera, 2 megapixel depth sensor at the back, and the front camera is a single 16 megapixel sensor, which is the most hyped feature of this smartphone. It can shoot up to 1080p video, and I found the image quality on almost all of the images to be quite good. The sharpness was accurate, the front 16 megapixel camera clicks very detailed selfies, and overall I felt that the quality was quite good. And now let's test the audio playback on this device. So overall I felt that the audio was on point, and there's just a single speaker setup at the bottom. Still the audio was okay. Standard features like zoom to fill, etc. are available on this one, but I could not make them fill the whole notch easily. But if I talk about the games, etc., the experience was quite smooth. On medium settings I was able to play PUBG without any lag whatsoever, so that's quite good. But what I feel is missing on these smartphones is performance. The EMUI experience is okay, but sometimes the animations feel laggy, and with Android 8.1 I believe that this smartphone might get an update to Android P because it's the latest smartphone by Honor, so we can expect it to at least get an update to Android P. Overall the experience feels quite good, and the design of this device is also quite good. It comes with a 3000 mAh battery, and you can't expect it to last really that much long if you are really gonna push the device, but I feel that EMUI optimization is quite good. We have seen this on a lot of other devices also, that they have got quite good optimization on all of these devices. And overall I feel that the major changes in this device are in the terms of display, etc., but there's a huge notch at the bottom which could have been avoided in case they went for something like an 18:9 aspect ratio display. For its affordable price, I feel that the Honor 9N is a good device, and overall there are few issues which can be resolved by using a custom launcher or something. And then there's the notch display. A lot of people would like it, a lot of people won't like it. The chin on the smartphone is quite huge, and if we talk about the color options, you get colors like lavender purple, robin egg blue, and sapphire blue. Personally, I felt that the robin egg blue was one of the most beautiful looking colors. This is the robin egg blue, and then there's also the midnight black color, which is the staple color. Then there's this lavender purple color which a lot of people would like. So all of these options make it quite a good deal for a lot of people out there at around 220 euros, and which is quite a lesser price in dollars also, and just around the 10 to 12k mark for Indian national rupees. I feel that this smartphone packs a lot of punch. There's no option to record 4K video also on this smartphone. The first sales would start from 12 p.m. on 31st July exclusively on Flipkart. Starting at a price of 13,999, the Honor 9N would be available in two color variants, which are the Sapphire Blue and Midnight Black. Customers would also get cashback offers up to 2,200 rupees and 100 GB additional 4G data with an exclusive Jio 4G offer. There would be two variants, 4 GB RAM and 64 GB at 13,999 and 4 GB RAM and 128 GB storage at 17,999. I believe that the 17,999 variant is something that no one should buy, but the other version, the 4 GB 64 GB version, is something that can be considered by people who want the Honor smartphone feel in the notch style design. If you're somebody who wants something like that, then go for the Honor 9N. Otherwise, there are a lot of other options in the market out there, and for a price of around 15-16k, you might be able to buy the Mi A2 also in the near future. So that's something that you need to keep in mind. So guys, this was it for this video. In case you like this one, don't forget to smash the thumbs up button and do subscribe to Inspire to Rise for a lot more tech videos like this one. And guys, no matter what you do, stay inspired to rise.